Maths is fun. We learn cool things every day. Today, we'll learn about multiplication.
Down on the farm, Reese and Matilda have lots of work to do. They like caring for the animals the most. Every morning, they check the paddocks to make sure the cows and sheep are safe and sound. Then they collect the eggs from the chicken coop for a yummy breakfast. The first job of the day for Reese is to check on the cows. She needs to make sure all the cows are safe and sound in their paddocks. The cows are kept in 4 paddocks and there are always 3 cows in each paddock. Good, she says. There are 3 cows in paddock number 1, 3 cows in paddock number 2, 3 cows in paddock number 3, and 3 cows in paddock number 4. Three plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 12, she says, adding up all the cows. 4 lots of 3 cows equals 12 cows in total, she says excitedly. All 12 cows are here, safe and sound, she says with a smile.
Reese uses repeated addition to work out how many cows in total. Repeated addition is one way to represent multiplication.
4 lots of 3 equals 12. 4 times 3 equals 12. The first job of the day for Matilda is to check on the sheep. She needs to make sure all the sheep are safe and sound in their paddock. The sheep are kept in a single paddock and there are lots of them. How can she possibly count them all? At first, Matilda is unsure how to count the sheep, but then she sees that all the sheep are standing in groups of 3, and there are 5 groups. 5 groups of 3 sheep, she says aloud. 5 groups of 3 sheep equals 15 sheep in total, she says excitedly. All 15 sheep are here, safe and sound, she says with a smile. 5 groups of 3 equals 15. 5 times 3 equals 15.
You can recognize and represent multiplication as groups of.
The last job of the morning is to collect the eggs from the chicken coop. The chicken coop is in a large shed. Each hen has its own nesting box to lay its eggs. When Reese and Matilda collect the eggs, they find that each nesting box has 1 egg in it. The nesting boxes are set up in an array so they can easily work out how many eggs they have. There are 6 rows of nesting boxes and there are 3 boxes in each row. 6 lots of 3 eggs, says Reese aloud. 6 lots of 3 eggs equals 18 in total, says Matilda excitedly. Reese and Matilda collect 18 eggs from the chicken coop.
An array is a way of showing groups of objects. The objects are placed into rows to show their grouping.
6 groups of 3 equals 18. 6 times 3 equals 18. At the end of their busy morning, collecting eggs and checking on the cows and sheep, Reese and Matilda enjoy a delicious breakfast. They don't have 18 eggs now.
Wow, multiplication is cool, and so is maths.